Hey there, health seekers! Did you know that millions of people around the world are suffering from thyroid problems, often without even knowing it? Thyroid trouble, a modern epidemic. Millions suffer silently with thyroid disorders. Whether it's hyperthyroidism, Hashimoto's, or even thyroid cancer, these conditions can wreak havoc on your whole life, and it affects both men and women, disrupting hormones and overall well-being. Fatigue, weight gain, brain fog, depression, hair loss, and so much more plague their days. It dictates energy, mood, and more. Conventional medicine often misses the root cause. But what if I told you there's a natural way to heal your thyroid right from your own kitchen? Today I'm sharing a step-by-step guide based on the incredible book, Medium Thyroid Healing by Anthony William. I've personally tried these methods and let me tell you, they work. It's time to uncover the truth about thyroid health. First, let's talk about the unseen culprit, Epstein-Barr Virus. Medium reveals a hidden truth. Epstein-Barr virus often underpins thyroid disorders. This common virus wreaks havoc within the body. It weakens the immune system and triggers inflammation. The virus specifically targets the thyroid, disrupting its natural balance. The immune system attacks the virus but can't eliminate it, so it builds barriers around the infected area to contain it. As EBV multiplies, these barriers expand, leading to the formation of thyroid cysts. Conventional medicine often mistakes this for an autoimmune disease, but it's actually the immune system trying to protect the body from further harm. By understanding this hidden threat, we can focus on boosting our immunity and starving the virus to promote self-healing. Medical Medium's healing foods. Nature provides potent allies for thyroid recovery. Medical Medium emphasizes a healing diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and herbs, which offer essential nutrients and antioxidants. They combat inflammation and support the immune system. Specific foods target EBV and promote thyroid health. Wild blueberries, rich in antioxidants, combat viral activity. Spirulina, a nutrient-dense algae, detoxifies the body and supports thyroid function. Lemon water consumed daily aids in cleansing and alkalizing the body. Incorporate these healing foods into your daily routine. In the end of the video, we will refer to a list of healing foods and understanding the power of each of them. But for now, let's understand the importance of heavy metal detox, which is a crucial step. Heavy metal toxicity exacerbates thyroid problems. Mercury, lead, aluminium, copper, and other toxins disrupt endocrine function. They accumulate in the body, primarily in the liver, interfering not only with thyroid hormone production, but with overall body's function. Removing these toxins is essential for thyroid healing. Cilantro, a potent herb, binds to heavy metals and aids in their removal. Chlorella, a freshwater algae, also assists in detoxification. Incorporate these foods into your diet to facilitate heavy metal removal. Consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Let's now talk about some recipes for thyroid healing from Medical Medium books. First, the detoxifying celery juice. Simply juice one bunch of fresh celery and drink it on an empty stomach every morning. Celery juice is a powerful anti-inflammatory and can help flush out toxins that burden the thyroid. It also contains bioactive sodium that stabilizes the adrenals and aids in balancing hormones. It boosts the immune system as well, which allows for your body to stay on better guard. Medical Medium advises to drink about 16 ounces every morning. If it looks too much and impossible, start gradually from 50 milliliters a day and grow until you reach this advised dosage. Next, the heavy metal detox smoothie. Ingredients: 2 cups of water or coconut water, 1 cup of fresh or frozen wild blueberries, 1 cup of cilantro, 1 teaspoon of spirulina, 1 tablespoon of barley grass juice powder, 1 tablespoon of Atlantic dulce, 1 orange peeled and seeded, and 1 banana. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. This smoothie helps eliminate heavy metals and cleanse your liver. Detoxifying the liver allows your body to more efficiently process and eliminate daily toxins, boosting your immune system and overall body function. This helps prevent the Epstein-Barr virus from gaining strength. Additionally, removing heavy metals like mercury, copper, and aluminum, which can accumulate in the liver and nourish EBV, starves and weakens the virus over time. This process also supports the immune system in eliminating any weakened EBV from your thyroid, and no barriers will be necessary anymore, as explained before. As a result, cysts begin to minimize and disappear naturally. The combination of cilantro, spirulina, barley grass juice powder, and Atlantic dulce works together to remove these toxic metals from your system. Lastly, the thyroid healing tea ingredients: 1 cup of hot water, 1 teaspoon of lemon balm, 1 teaspoon of nettle leaf, 1 teaspoon of licorice root, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Steep the herbs in hot water for about 10 minutes, then add lemon juice. This tea supports the immune system and helps reduce the viral load that often triggers thyroid issues. Lemon balm soothes the nervous system, nettle leaf nourishes the thyroid with essential nutrients, and licorice root supports adrenal health, which is crucial for hormonal balance. Now, let's overview quickly the power of each ingredient discussed in this video. Wild blueberries. These tiny fruits are a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which protect cells from oxidative stress and promote healing in the thyroid gland. Coconut water. Known for its hydrating properties, coconut water also provides electrolytes that support adrenal function and overall endocrine health. Spirulina and barley grass juice powder. Both are rich in chlorophyll, which helps to detoxify the blood and remove heavy metals. They provide essential vitamins and minerals that nourish the thyroid. Atlantic dulce. This seaweed is particularly effective in binding and removing heavy metals from the body. It's also rich in iodine, which is crucial for thyroid hormone production. Celery juice. Celery contains a unique compound called sodium cluster salts that act as antiseptics for pathogens and help to support the immune system. These salts also help to restore the hydrochloric acid in the stomach, aiding in digestion and nutrient absorption. Lemon balm. This herb is soothing to the nervous system and helps to reduce anxiety and stress, which can be detrimental to thyroid health. Nettle leaf. High in iron and other nutrients, nettle supports the adrenals and thyroid while also helping to cleanse the blood. Licorice root. This adaptogenic herb helps to balance cortisol levels, supporting adrenal health and by extension thyroid function. Ginger and turmeric. Both are anti-inflammatory and support digestive health. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has been shown to help reduce inflammation in the thyroid. Artichoke is the strongest and most effective shield of the thyroid against the virus, toxins, and any other risks it may face. Incorporating these foods and practices into your daily routine not only addresses thyroid symptoms but also targets the root cause, promoting overall healing. Patience and consistency are crucial. Healing is gradual, but with commitment, you'll notice improvements. Last important note is that medical mediums strongly suggest that eggs, gluten, dairy products, and corn shall be excluded from the diet for better results. Before starting, consider consulting with a medical professional for your personal conditions to be considered correctly, and maybe getting medical checks and keeping records to track your progress would be a good idea. I did keep records and I was able to compare my results. I saw beneficial difference within 2 months. Share your progress in the comments below. I'd love to hear your success stories. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated.